Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 9. If x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 1, evaluate 2 into x squared minus y cubed. Now, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 1. So that will be 2 into x squared, which is 3 squared, minus y cubed, that's minus 1 cubed. So we have 2 into 3 squared is equals to 9. Then minus 1 cube will still give us minus 1. That's minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So this is equals to 2 into 9 plus 1, and that is 2 into 10, which is equals to 20. So the answer to this question is option C, 20. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.